Want to deck out your Fortnite character with the coolest skins and emotes, but are not sure how to redeem that gift card burning a hole in your pocket? First, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the Nintendo eShop icon. It looks like a shopping bag with the Nintendo logo on it. Tap it to open the eShop. Once the eShop loads, look up to the top right corner of the screen and select your profile icon. This will usually be any character or a picture you've chosen. On the account information screen, scroll down until you see the redeem code option. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Select redeem code. Now, carefully scratch off the protective layer on the back of your Fortnite gift card to reveal the redemption code. Enter this 16-digit code into the text box on your Nintendo Switch screen. Double-check that you've entered it correctly. After entering the code, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to redeem the code for bucks. Confirm the redemption. Launch Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. The bucks from your gift card should now be added to your account balance. You can see your bucks balance displayed in the top right corner of the screen when you're in the lobby. Now you can head over to the item shop and purchase awesome outfits, emotes, pickaxes, and more to customize your Fortnite experience. Have fun and enjoy your new gear.